All right, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? So I got this article. I'm going to put it on my main channel, W Spivey, and then my Street Rat channel as well. So these articles will be concurrent. Okay, well, this article, I'm sorry. So this is some breaking news right here. All right, this is a cautionary tale about drinking and driving. Okay, which does cause impairment. I know that some people like to indulge in alcohol, but I'm just thinking anytime your vision start getting blurry, okay, you start having bad judgment, slurred speeching, okay, then it may be time to find yourself or have an opportunity to find yourself another means home to your home, okay? And, excuse me, uh, because incidents like this could happen. So, Henry Ruggs, the third, wide receiver for the Las Vegas Raiders, gets into a DUI. Well, actually, he rear ends a young lady. Okay, this is in Las Vegas on Spring Valley and Rainbow. All right. The woman, she's 23 years old. She dies. Okay, she has not been identified at the time of this podcast. Okay, let me see here. Oh, all right. So Ruggs was transported to UMC Hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. There's going to be an investigation performed, a private one, as well as with Las Vegas Metro Police, and he is charged with DUI. All right. The scene of the accident, all right, they had that area closed for 12 hours. Okay. This happened actually this morning, November 2nd. And this is the same day. All right. This podcast is being conducted tonight, actually, at 10 o'clock tonight. So, yeah. So you got a guy, the Raiders are doing well, I think. You got a guy that could help the team win. Maybe you don't go to the playoffs and all that. And for the most part, he's making was making very, very good money doing what he loves to do. All right. And now he's out of a, position. The Raiders actually cut him just here over the last hour. All right. Pretty much, yeah, he told him to get the packing. All right. So as a violation of the NFL conduct policy. Okay. So, but just imagine, all the high school guys or whatever, okay, that play all throughout the country or whatever, thousands of them. Only 1% make it to the NFL, all right? Really, it's like 2-3% make it to college, and then 1% out of that make it to the NFL. So just a small group of people make it to the NFL. All the hard work and the sacrifice that, you put in as a player, or he put in as a player, that is probably his parents or whatever, okay, that went to the games and stuff like that, the hard work that he's, practicing and all this other stuff, and, all to a waste. This is not a good look right here, okay? And it puts a mark on the community, all right, with also what went on here with John Gruden, the head coach, resigning here 3 weeks ago. So, a lot of people are outraged by this because, and I gotta agree, they're like, you can get a lift, all right, you can even jump on the bus, all right, but he decided he wanted to do something stupid, and this is a result of it, okay, and I'm pretty sure, when these players come to a team, they already are aware about the NFL personal conduct policy. Okay, they probably get briefed by their agent. They probably get briefed by the coach. Okay, about that, and also team policies. All right, I'm pretty sure when they get released for time off, all right, they get briefed about domestic violence and DUIs and stuff like that. You know, misconduct. They have probably the opportunity to call for a Lyft or Uber or call for a friend or whatever, okay, to come pick them up, a teammate, one of the coaches. And they still go out there and go get a DUI or still go out there and get in trouble. But for the most part, a DUI. All right, so I think whatever he gets, he deserves. And now I'm hoping, well, he'll be very, very lucky if he get a chance to play football again. All right, I mean, he better pray because he's already been charged that he's not found guilty. All right, but it doesn't look like it's a good look to me. That's just, my opinion. My regrets go out to that young lady's family, and I think what Mr. Ruggs needs is he needs prayer. All right, and maybe an Alcoholic Anonymous class, or to have better judgment, all right, before he wants to get on the road intoxicated. And that also goes for you and the community of Las Vegas here, all right. I was just listening to Mad Dog Sports, and they was thinking was it tied into the trade deadline, because the trade deadline was today for the NFL, all right. So maybe, I don't know if that's a way that he wanted to do something on purpose to get out of, playing for the Raiders, and it backfired on him. I don't know, okay? But this is not a good look. I just would encourage everybody to use better judgment or whatever before they want to get on the road intoxicated. All right, so I'm going to leave it at that. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this video. If you want to donate, Cash App $Winston Spivey or SPIVEW1 at unlv.nevada.edu. Thanks for listening, y'all.